Welcome everyone to Unveiling the Numbers. Today, Misha, Suchita, and I, Shruti, are delving into complex and fantastic world of accounting standards, especially the Indian accounting standards and international financial reporting standards. Buckle up as we explore their evolution, significance, and their impacts on global financial landscape.
Hello, myself Suchita. We have with us Mr. Chetan here. He is an experienced working professional in tax, so let's ask him some general knowledge about evolution of IFRS and Indian accounting standard. So, sir, do you have any knowledge about it?
Yeah, I do. In 2001, the International Accounting Standard Board was formed, issuing the IFRS for the global application, and about India's convergence, recognizing the benefits of global standards. India adopted Indian accounting standards in 2011, converging with the IFRS.
Thank you, sir, for your views. I would like to add more on it. So let's know about an Indian perspective of accounting standards. In the year 1977, accounting standards got emerged. But in the year 1999, accounting standards were not compulsory. From 2001, IFRS came into the picture. In 2011, G20, we thought for IFRS, but eventually it got postponed. In the year 2013, Companies Act scope of amendment came into the picture, and in the year 2015, Companies Indian rules comes into the picture. At last, in the year 2016, finally we started to implement, and it was made mandatory for listed companies.
Hello everyone, this is Misha here, and we all have Mr. Yadav who owns many businesses related to administration services in Jamshedpur. So, sir, can you tell our listeners the significance of accounting standards?
Yes, Misha, sure. Actually, accounting standards always enhance investors' confidence by ensuring that it must prepared using a standardized and transparent approach. This helps stakeholders make informed decisions. Also, standardized accounting allows stakeholders to compare financial statements across companies and countries. This enables informed decision making. And of course, adherence to accounting standards ensures regulatory compliance, reducing the risk of legal issues and penalties of non compliance. Companies adhering to global standards like IFRS find it easier to access international capital markets.
Thank you, sir, for your precious time and sharing this insightful details.
Yeah, thank you.
Join now. Let's shift gears and explore the impacts of Indian accounting standards and IFRS on a specific industry, advertising agency. We are thrilled to have Mr. Tanay, founder of Adverine, a renowned advertising agency. Join us to discuss the practical experiences. Welcome, Mr. Tanay.
Thank you so much, Shruti.
मिस्टर तने ये क्या था Now, let's shift gears and explore the impact of Indian accounting standards and IFRS on a specific industry, advertising agencies. We are thrilled to have Mr. Tanay, the founder of Adverine, a renowned advertising agency. Join us to discuss their practical experiences. Welcome, Mr. Tanay.
Thank you so much, Shruti.
Mr. Tanay, as a founder of Adverine, have you encountered Indian accounting standards and IFRS in your financial reporting? If so, which standards are most relevant to your agency's operation? Can you please elaborate, Mr. Tanay?
Yeah, Shruti, definitely. So, as a growing agency, we navigate several Indian accounting standards and IFRS particularly.
Okay,
So,
can you please explain it in a bit detailed form?
sure. So, accounting standard, I guess 18
Yes.
particularly. So, revenue recognition, which is so this
Oh, yes,
impacts how
exactly.
we, yeah. So, how we recognize income for several render. So, especially with project-based billing and deferred revenue
Mm.
recognition. Accounting standard 38, which is for, I guess, intangible assets.
Ah, yeah.
This is, yeah, this is very important for valuing and amortizing the creative assets like brand strategies and ad campaigns. And
Okay.
for leases, for accounting standard for leases, this affects the reporting for rental costs for office spaces and equipment leases. So this impacts the operating expenses.
Okay. That's insightful. How have these standards impacted your internal accounting processes and financial reporting practices? And also, I would like to appreciate your memory that you remembered that much. That's appreciable, Mr. Tane.
Yeah, thank you so much, Shruti. So, yeah, initially adopting the new standards,
Mm-hmm.
requirements, and adjustments like implementing documentation for revenue recognition and softwares like intangible assets valuation. So,
Okay.
however, it led more standardized reporting, enhanced transparency for investors, and better financial clarity for ourselves.
Interesting. Did you face any significant challenges in implementing these standards?
Yeah, Shruti, certainly. So, interpreting specific criteria like probable, which is in revenue recognition, so determining the useful life of intangible assets, which can be subjective. So consulting with experienced accountants and staying updated on regularity, which is for changes. So they helped us to navigate all these challenges.
Okay, Mr. Tane. Thank you so much. These are very valuable insights. Thank you, Mr. Tane, for sharing your insightful perspective. Your experience showcased how Indian accounting standards and IFRS impact advertising agencies like Adverame and how navigating these standards can contribute to overall business success. Thank you so much for being a part of this podcast and keeping your precious time aside for this interview. Thank you so much, Sane, to being with us.
Thank you so much, Shruti. It's pleasure to being here. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Focusing on Indian accounting standards and IFRS. Convergence benefits. Indian companies benefit from improved global comparability and access to capital by adopting Indian accounting standards, which are closely aligned with IFRS. Challenges in India. Some Indian companies, particularly smaller ones, face challenges in implementing IFRS converged standards due to resource constraints and lack of expertise. Continuous improvement. Both IASB and ICI continue to refine and update these standards to address the emerging issues and best practices. In conclusion, accounting standards, particularly Indian accounting standards and IFRS, have evolved to meet the demands of a globalized economy. Their significance lies in providing a consistent and transparent framework for financial reporting, enhancing investor confidence, and contributing to financial stability. The practical implications involve overcoming transition challenges, meeting increased disclosure requirements, understanding the financial reporting. Companies need to stay informed and adapt to these standards to ensure accurate and reliable financial reporting. If you like our podcast, very informative, please like and share and be updated and informed.